Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to restore old photos and make them look like new with just one click in 2026. Here is my old photo. As you can see, the photo quality is very poor, and I want to restore it. Now, open your browser and go to Gemini. Upload your old photo. Copy the prompt and paste it here. Then click Submit. The prompt is available in the video description. Now wait a few seconds while Gemini processes the image. And here is the final result. The restored photo looks realistic, clear, and high quality. That's it. Enjoy your newly restored photo. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.